Hi everyone, welcome back to another Bio in a Bottle video. My name is Ambika and today we are covering topic 2.7 of AP Bio, or facilitated diffusion. To recap, we learned about how diffusion is the movement of particles from a high to low concentration via chemical and electrical forces. And now we can apply that to facilitated diffusion. Facilitate means to help, so all facilitated diffusion is just diffusion aided by membrane proteins. Here we have an amazing drawing of a phospholipid bilayer. Recall earlier that small and nonpolar molecules don't need help to diffuse through the membrane, but large and charged molecules do. One example is with water, and there is a specialized protein called an aquaporin, which helps water diffuse through the membrane. Remember that water is a polar molecule. Proteins that help ions diffuse through the membrane are called channel proteins, and here we have an example of sodium and potassium ions. Recall that ions are atoms with more or fewer electrons. Having more or less of these ions can either depolarize or hyperpolarize a cell, which means to change the membrane potential. Membrane proteins are also needed for active transport. Active transport means that something is going against its concentration gradient, or from a low to high concentration. Since it's going the opposite way and can't happen by itself, we need ATP to help. Active transport requires energy in the form of ATP to move molecules and ions against their concentration gradients. One of the most famous examples of active transport is with the sodium and potassium pump used when neurons fire action potentials, and it moves sodium and potassium ions against their gradients when they influx or efflux the cell. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave feedback, and we hope this helps.